Now scan it. Keep it on there because it's not really picking up what it says.
I didn't even scan it. Just blinking.
Okay, now click OK. Now keep scanning. Just keep holding it there and clicking OK every time it says that. Maybe move it up and down, like make it in, bigger in the picture and smaller. I don't know if that makes a difference. Maybe move it out so that you're not scanning and then move it in to scan. Yeah, like that. Now try moving it in and then picking up the scan. Just keep doing it. It's got to recognize some time.